Hi, good morning. My name is Fred Alexander Solano Aguirre. Group 63. Date 9 April 2022. Bristol diagram. Later knowledge of evaluation method by technology manager in charge of the process. Effects. The technology manager in charge of the process does not know how to act and discuss about the evaluation of a technology in the production process. Cause. Lack of knowledge about the cause of accessing the market and the impact this has on valuation and future income. Effects. There is a tendency to confuse the expense incurred to generate the technology with the value of the technology which generates unproductive value. Cause. Managers must prepare to innovate in technology by being able to generate change in process. Effect. Apply strategies to assimilate the impact of technology which directs its general support by area directors. Cause. Managers must commit to acquiring knowledge in technology assessment methods during the process to make some decisions. Recommendation. As industrial engineering professional, it is important to integrate the entry work team to the use and management of technologies. Instead of isolating them, the more they are involved with the process that are carried out in the day-to-day of the organization, the easier and faster it will be to solve problems with evaluation methods by technology. I would recommend an industrial engineering professional that the companies must invest in technological training for their collaboration technology involves every second, every day mixed technologies are born that can help improve the work of an organization in a very effective way. Thank you very much.